Good morning, Sage here. Thanks for joining us on Kalkine TV for the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Let's take a look at the ASX listed 5 stocks that are in the news today because of the price-sensitive announcements. Australian bank and financial services provider is where we'll begin. Westpac Banking Corporation. In its market update, they announced that they will revamp its operations to using 100% renewable electricity and reduce lending to coal, oil and gas companies. Great news for the Australians. The bank also said that it will target zero lending to companies with more than 5% of their revenue coming directly from thermal coal mining by 2030 and will continue to provide corporate lending where the customer has a credible transition plan in place by 2025. Ambitious goals set by Westpac. Westpac plans to sign a net zero banking alliance commitment so that the company can achieve 2030 targets to reduce their financed emissions. As of March 2022, the company's total committed exposure to oil and gas extraction stood at $2.4 billion. And today, Westpac shares traded at around $21.17, up by 0.81% at the opening of the market. Next is mineral exploration company IGO. They announced its quarterly report for the period ended 30th June 2022. The company said that its group sales revenue of 278 million, this is Australian dollars, and underlying EBITDA of 258 million, also Australian dollars, for the quarter were driven by record sales revenue at Nova, an increased net profit from its incorporated joint venture, Tianqi Lithium, Energy Australia, P2 Ltd. IGO's Nova nickel production was 3% higher quarter on quarter and within guidance, while cash costs were also within guidance. Now, also the company's Greenbushes spodumene concentrate production, worth mentioning, was 25% higher quarter on quarter. It also completed the acquisition of Australia's highest grade, lowest cash cost nickel producer, Western Areas, on 20th June 2022. And today, IGO shares traded at $9.98 Australian, being up 0.20%. Next on the list, mineral explorer and developer New World Resources has requested that its securities be placed in a trading halt for the purpose of considering planning and executing a capital raising. And the company has requested that the trading halt continue until the earlier of the commencement of normal trading on Friday 29th July 2022 or when an announcement's made by the company regarding the capital raising. Next, we have battery materials and technology company NOVONIX. Today they released its quarterly activities report for April to June 2022. In June, the company, in partnership with Emera Technologies, announced delivery of their first of its kind custom-designed microgrid battery prototype. A diversified energy manufacturing and logistics company, Phillips 66, announced strategic investment in NOVONIX during the period as well. And Phillips 66 subscribed more than 77 million ordinary shares for a total purchase price of $150 million and nominated Jana Golodriga to its board of directors. And NOVONIX shares were trading at $2 being down 1.21% during the opening trading session on the ASX. Right, we're reaching the end of the report now, and we've got one more to share with you. So, drone protection devices maker DroneShield today announced that it has received a repeat order for its counter-drone solutions in an amount of approximately $500,000 from a high-profile US government agency. And the payment for the order is expected to be received in full in the current September 2022 quarter. DroneShield's CEO Oleg Vornik said that this repeat order from a customer with some of the most demanding and complex government agency requirements globally shows the industry-leading capabilities of DroneShield products. And today, DroneShield shares traded at 18 cents Australian, being up 1.36%. All right, well, thank you so much for your company on this brand new show, Top ASX Buzzing Stocks of the Day. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Do let us know your feedback on our new show concept. We'd love to hear from you. Another episode will be coming your way. And until then, make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. See you soon. Sage here signing off.